Happy New Year! Are you ready to make an animal zodiac cube with us? Let's get started. You can print out the PDF either on a thicker paper or on regular copy paper. The regular paper is easier to fold, but the thicker paper makes a stronger cube. After you've printed out the PDF of the Animal Zodiac Cube, you are ready to get started. Remember that solid lines are for cutting and dotted lines are for folding. Either before or after you cut around the outside of the Animal Zodiac diagram, color the animals as you like. Once that is done, you need to make a few extra cuts on the solid lines towards the center of the diagram. These are highlighted here in red. Also, find the snake. A solid line is missing between the 9 and the 10, so cut here as well. Once those cuts are made, fold each dotted line back and forth so it is easier to manipulate later. When you have folded them all in back and forth, you're ready to get started putting your cube together. If you are patient, you can use glue or glue stick, but today I'm using two-sided tape. You've probably noticed that there are numbers next to each of the dotted lines. So find the picture of the rabbit, place the glue or tape on the number 1. Attach the 1 tab to the edge of the rooster. Now, place tape on the other edge of the rooster, tab 2, and attach to the dog. Continue around the circle, attaching the dog to the horse to the monkey, and the monkey to the rabbit. For the next layer, find the pig. Attach tape to the edge with the number 1 on it and attach that to the rooster. The other side of the pig you will attach to the sheep. Attach the sheep to the horse and the horse to the snake. The snake to the tiger. Go Tiger and 2022. Okay, just a bit more. We're going to attach the tiger to the rabbit and the rat, then the rat to the pig, and next the snake to the sheep. So we're almost done. Finally, we'll attach the ox to the snake, tiger, rat, and pig. It's like closing a lid on your Animal Zodiac Cube. So I hope everyone has a wonderful year and special wishes for anyone born in the year of the tiger. Happy New Year from the Japanese American Museum of San Jose.